Hey David, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you for communicating with me via text message earlier today. I know we've been talking about finding you the perfect pilot. Still got a great selection here in stock on the ground. I'm looking forward to meeting you Friday at 1:15. Just wanted a brief opportunity to introduce myself as your personal product specialist. David, if you have any questions whatsoever before I meet you on Friday, please don't hesitate to call me, or we're going to be in the office until 8 o'clock all week long. If your schedule does free up, even if it's 6 o'clock, give me a shout. Give me an opportunity to pencil you in. I'll make sure to accommodate you. Again, Trent Tate with Tameron Honda, and I can guarantee you this: when you make it into Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.